pomagate, mi ultimo. Oh my god, ban? No. O kurwa!
What's your favorite curse word?
Probably.
Tell me why I shouldn't throw this drink in your ass face.
Hey man, this look pretty good, man. Where your clothes at?
What's up?